The first step to get our environment ready is to install Minecraft. If you already own Minecraft and have the latest version installed on your PC, feel free to skip ahead to installing Python. Otherwise, please follow with me. So the first step is to open the browser and go to the download page for Minecraft. Visit minecraft.net/download. This will open the download page for your operating system. In this case, it's the Java edition for Windows. Feel free to click on that download button and your installer should be downloaded. Find it and click it and wait for it to open. This opens the Minecraft Launcher Setup wizard. Click Next. Feel free to not change the default options. Next, and then install. Windows might ask you if you want to do this and just click yes. And then feel free to leave the default option and click Finish. This should open the Minecraft launcher. If nothing shows, you might need to minimize that window. And there is the Minecraft updater. It might take a while the first time to download the latest version, so please be patient. Once the launcher opens, use your account to log in. If you don't have one, you need to go back to Minecraft, purchase the game, and create an account. Once in, click Play. And if this is the first time, the launcher will have to download the latest version of the game. Be patient, this might take a while. The game opens, and feel free to try it. Go to Single Player, New World, wait for it to load, and there you go. Explore Minecraft, especially if this is the first time you play it. Move around, get familiar with it. Once you're done, quit and quit the game. And there you go. Minecraft is ready.